owner of Just Organized by Taya here in Houston. This family reached out to me with only a few weeks before a move. 3 stories of memories, decisions in closets. They needed to be claimed. Live life that fast, it's easy for things to pile up. And when your job requires you to dress the part, clients were pretty amazing, and they did that. So you won't see every moment on camera, but the trash bags you do see, that's the progress. That was donations. That's clarity and sense of calm coming back. And then came the biggest challenge. The new home had almost half the closet space. The movers laughed and said, I'd hate to be the person who has to make all that fit. I smiled and said, that would be me. So I did what I do best. Space planning, systems, and design, they made every inch count. By the end, every box had purpose, every hanger had a home, and that closet worked smart, not hard. Because that's what I love most, helping families turn chaos into clarity and big transitions into organized, peaceful new beginnings. I'm Taya. I organize real homes, creating real systems.